The careless driver said he was only doing 50 miles an hour. Find out how I was able to show that he was lying. Come join me as I share with you this great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law here in the state of New York. In every type of car accident case, there are three important components that I need to evaluate. I need to find out what was the speed of the other car. I need to find out something called distance as well as time. So let me explain what all that means. You see, the driver of the other car claimed that he was going within the speed limit, which was, in this particular instance, 50 miles an hour. But in order to find out truly whether or not he was correct, I needed to ask him a series of questions, beginning with, "Sir, can you tell me where you were when you first saw my client's car?" "Oh, I was about 1,000 feet away." "Terrific. And at that time, what was your speed?" "I was going 50 miles an hour." "Excellent. And from that point, when you first saw my client's car, how long did it take you to travel that 1,000 feet? "Oh, it took me only 6 seconds. "Terrific. And now, what have I done? What I've done is I've locked him into testimony about the length of time it took him to go from one point to another, now the time it took him to go from that same distance from one point to another, and now I can truly calculate exactly what his speed was. Now, in all likelihood, they're not going to know exact numbers. They might say, "Oh, it took me about 5 or 6 or 7 seconds," and they'll give me a range of time. Or maybe they'll give me an approximation about the distance that they traveled. Whatever information they are giving me, I can now use those parameters in which to calculate their speed for the low number as well as the high number. And then I can use that information to further drill down to determine whether or not they were going truly at the speed limit or were they going significantly faster. And I was able to show clearly, using these calculations, that from the time he saw my client's car until the impact occurred, he was clearly violating the rules of the road. He was speeding, and he was going about 65 miles an hour. Now, that was a contributing factor to this particular accident, and because of that, I was able to show the defense and the insurance company that their driver was liable and careless. So why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you just to show you one component of what we do when we evaluate a car accident case here in the state of New York. I realize you're watching this because you likely have questions or concerns about your own car accident matter. Well, again, if your matter happened here in New York and you do have legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. This is something I do every single day, and I'd love to talk to you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's quick video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a fantastic day.